Ever wondered what it would be like to have your car double as a mobile office or a digital entertainment hub? Welcome to the future, where luxury cars are no longer just vehicles. They are hyper-connected hubs of technology that redefine the driving experience. This is the realm of hyperconnectivity, where seamless integration with the latest tech transforms cars into rolling tech hubs. Picture this: you step into your car and are greeted by a sleek, interconnected dashboard. Multiple high-resolution touchscreens display everything from real-time traffic updates to your next video conference call. Voice-activated AI assistants are at your beck and call, adjusting the climate control, scheduling your meetings, or playing your favorite tunes. But the magic doesn't stop at mere convenience. Luxury car makers are integrating cutting-edge technologies like fifth-generation wireless technology and cloud computing. This enables seamless data transfer and lightning-fast internet speeds. Imagine downloading movies within seconds, streaming live events without a hint of lag, and collaborating on documents as you cruise down the highway. The concept of the office space extends even to the back seat. Passengers can transform their cabin into a mobile workspace, complete with retractable tables, ergonomic seats, and dedicated charging ports for their devices. Picture hosting a productive meeting while enjoying the scenic ride, or catching up on emails during a long commute. And when it's time to unwind, your car transforms into a digital entertainment haven. High-end sound systems with noise cancellation immerse you in your favorite music, while curved OLED displays deliver cinematic viewing experiences right in your back seat. Yet, amidst all the connectivity, safety remains paramount. Hyper-connected cars come equipped with advanced cybersecurity measures to protect your data and prevent hacking. They can also provide real-time road hazard alerts and connect you to emergency services in case of accidents. The rise of hyper-connected luxury cars is creating a new paradigm of mobility. It's not just about getting from point A to point B anymore.